Today we're gonna see an unboxing and installation video of Auxito X-Plore 1 Off-Road Light Series, and they are gonna be installed on my Jeep Wrangler. The box is a bit flimsy. They could have a better box. Sturdier would be much nicer for the quality of the product itself. You can see you have all the wires included with an on-off switch. Me, I'm gonna install it on my auxiliary switch that is built in with my Jeep Wrangler. That's why I took the cable and I cut it right there, since I'm gonna hook up directly on the switch itself. It is very important if you don't use their relay and fuse that you use a high amp switch. Mine is a 40 amp because those lights are powerful and they draw a lot of power. So you just install the ground there on the chassis, and then I soldered that on my aux1 switch. Just don't forget, it's always better if you solder with the vibrations of a Jeep. And then also put some heat-shrink over it. To have a better cleaning wire setup, you remove the front grille, always easier to install the wire, and you can pass through into the front. Those lights can draw 15 watts of power, 6000 K brightness. The chassis is aluminum, and they are waterproof rated, IP67 and IP69K. They also feature a DLR. That's what I'm installing now, is day running light. So as soon as you turn on the power, they have like a nice beam setup that powers on. Since I didn't want to open all my fender to install this, I just bought some fuse box relay. So I installed it in my fuse, soldered the DLR on the wire, and then installed it in the fuse box. So as soon as my vehicle turns on, the DLR feature powers on also. On the other wire that you're not using, because this is for the white, I choose the amber one. Just make sure that you put something on the end so it doesn't do a short circuit. So we installed those on my bumper, holes already in it, so no drilling. This is the wire I installed for the DLR. Choose something that is not very important. I use the power mirror, so in case it blows out, I can still drive the vehicle. Once installed, this is the DLR feature showing amber light. They're very nice. The quality of the material is very impressive. They look sturdy. And don't look at the lights directly. You're gonna be blind. They're very powerful. Next, we're gonna do a video showing you how bright they are.